Hi everyone, in this session we will see some repeated questions of CBSE from the chapter trigonometry. Let's get started. The question is, prove that sin A minus 2 sin cube A upon 2 cos cube A minus cos A is equal to tan A. Okay, shall we do this sum? Solution. We are given that sin A, left hand side we are given sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A. We are given on the left hand side, right? Now we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. The answer must be tan A. We have to prove it, right? So first we will take sin A outside, common term. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. So sin A is common. So sin A we can take outside. Inside the bracket you will get 1 minus 2 sin square A upon 2. Again from the denominator we will take cos A outside. Inside the bracket 2 cos square A minus 1. Right? Now again it is equal to sin A into 1 minus 2. Sin square A again we can substitute by 1 minus cos square A, right? Because the identity we have learned the identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. So it is 1 minus cos square A upon cos A into 2 cos square A minus 1, right? Now again we can change the brackets, right? We can open the bracket, that is equal to sin A into 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus, so plus 2 cos square A upon cos A into 2 cos square A minus 1, right? Then that is equal to sin A into, what is 1 minus 2? It is minus 1, right? So it will become 2 cos square A minus 1 by cos A into, already we have this cos square A minus 1, right? Now common terms are 2 cos square A minus 1 and 2 cos square A minus 1. We can cancel it. So sin A by cos A is tan A. That is, we have started from LHS and now we are getting RHS, right? Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the answer. Now the question is, prove that tan A by CK minus 1 plus tan A by CK plus 1 is equal to 2 cosec A, right? 2 cosec A. Now what is given here? LHS. LHS is equal to tan A by CK minus 1 plus tan A by CK plus 1. This is the LHS, right? Now we have to take the LCM, right? See the denominator CK minus 1 and CK plus 1. These are the denominators. Now do one thing, you take the LCM. What is the LCM here? LCM is CK minus 1 into CK plus 1, right? CK plus minus 1 into CK plus 1. Right, children? Now cross multiplication. Now tan A into CK plus 1 and tan A into CK minus 1. No, tan A into CK plus 1 plus, because here plus given, plus tan A into CK minus 1. CK minus 1. Okay, that is equal to tan A into CK plus tan A into 1 distributive property. Tan A into 1, that is tan A into 1 is tan A, right? Now tan A into CK, that is equal to tan A into CK minus tan A into 1, that is tan A, right? Upon CK minus 1 into CK plus 1, that is A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square, right? So that is equal to 6 square A minus 1. Okay, 6 square A minus 1. Now we can cancel, that is the tan A plus tan A minus tan A get cancelled. Tan A into ck plus tan A into ck, that is equal to 2 tan A into ck, right? Tan A ck plus tan A ck is equal to 2 tan A ck, twice divided by sec square A minus 1, right? Now what is this? 2 tan A into ck by sec square A. Here 2 tan A into ck by sec square A minus 1, right? So it is 2 tan A, it is equal to 2 tan A into ck upon what is sec square A minus 1? That is tan square A, because that is identity, right? Sec square A minus 1 is tan square A. That is equal to, now tan A and 1 tan A we can cancel, right? Tan A by tan square A, here in tan square A, tan A into tan A. So 1 tan A we get cancelled. That is equal to 2 ck by tan A. 2 ck by tan A, right? Then what is 2 ck? 2 ck is 2 into 1 by cos A upon what is tan A? Tan A is sin A by cos A, right? Tan A sin A by cos A, ck is 1 by cos A. Now again 2 by cos A into, again reciprocal multiplication, that is A by B by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C, right? So 2 by cos A by sin A by cos A is 2 by cos A into cos A by sin A, into cos A by sin A. Now cos A get cancelled. What is 2 by sin A? That is equal to 2 by sin A, because 1 by sin A is cosec A. So that is equal to 2 cosec A. That is equal to LHS. That is equal to LHS. Therefore RHS is equal to LHS. Hence the proof. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof. Prove that root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. Right? Now we'll do this solution. Here left hand side is root of 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta plus root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. This is what we are given in the question. That is LHS is this expression, right? Now, this expression we can write like this. See this. 1 plus sin theta by square root of 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is square root of 1 plus sin theta by square root of 1 minus sin theta. Right, children? Plus root of square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is square root of 1 minus sin theta by square root of 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, right? Now we'll take the LCM. Say this, what will be the LCM? Root of 1 minus sin theta into root of 1 plus sin theta, right? Now, root of 1 minus sin theta, I am writing in a bracket, okay? A single bracket, single square root. That is root of 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, because this is LCM. Root of 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, I am writing like this. Now on the numerator, cross multiplication. Root of 1 plus sin theta into square root of 1 plus sin theta. That is square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square plus root of 1 minus sin theta into root of 1 minus sin theta. That is equal to square root of 1 minus sin theta whole square. Right? Now, what will be this? That is equal to, what is square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square? You know that is 1 plus sin theta. That is equal to 1 plus sin theta. Square root of 1 plus sin theta whole square is 1 plus sin theta, right? We can delete the square root sign. So, 1 plus sin theta plus Square root of 1 minus sin theta whole square is 1 minus sin theta. So that is equal to 1 minus sin theta divided by root of 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is square root of 1 minus sin square theta. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So root of 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Right? That is equal to, now 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta, that is 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta upon root of 1 minus sin square theta is square root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos squared theta. Identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So it is 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So sin theta get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Square root of a square is a, square root of b square is b, square root of 2 square is 2, right? So square root of cos square theta is cos theta. That is equal to 2 by cos theta is 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta. Now this is equal to, we have started from LHS here. This is LHS. Now we are getting RHS. This is RHS, right? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the proof.